Hello guys, in the episode of the Review Pro today we're going to check out the top 5 best blenders in 2019, and if you want to see the price and find out more information about these blenders, you can check out the link in the description below. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video reviews. Okay, so let's get started with video. Starting at number 5, we've got the NutriBullet NBR-1201. The NutriBullet NBR-1201 system is a unique piece of tech that provides wholesome, nutritious liquids which let you combat and save you disorder, shed pounds, relieve your ache, sell a wholesome lifestyle, and even add years on your existence. Aesthetically speaking, this blender is available in a chrome steel blade layout with cyclonic movement. Additionally, this unit is a 12-piece blender, and it's extraordinarily durable. Even though it has a plastic body, it lasts for a long time with none trouble. Aside from the fashionable is excessive nice base unit, range of different size cups are furnished. In the package deal we'll discover a beneficial deal with, and leads for the cups, for you to let you take it with you anywhere you move, or you could just pour it into your own bottles. Hookups. Permits speak about overall performance. The new NutriBullet NBR-1201 is a compact mixer blender. It makes use of 600-watt motor in combination with hard long-lasting cutting blades to method fruits and greens quite simply. In addition, this blender is pretty convenient and clean to use. Even kids may want to use it without any trouble. To make a smoothie, you just ought to add the preferred elements into the cup, culmination, greens, or something you need, and you may have your favorite smoothie as rapid as viable. Moreover, this powerful system pulverizes fruits, even frozen ones, and greens, grind seeds, and is an absolute beast on ice. You can use it normally every day for smoothies, and it's also encouraged for commercial enterprise use since it is able to face up to 7 hours of each day use and still carry out without a trouble. It also does the activity flawlessly with protein shakes and other milkshakes. Furthermore, it's essential to say that the Magic Bullet consists of dishwasher secure parts. The lid and blazer are additionally easily detachable, allowing for quick cleansing and clean meeting. My handiest remark concerning this blender is the noise. Now and again it can be very loud. Contemplating the effective motor, any noise created by way of the device could be very brief-lived. Finally, you need to surely recollect the NutriBullet NBR-1201, since it comes at a fair price, and it plays remarkably. Next up at number 4, we have the Blendtec Classic FourSide Jar. The Blendtec Classic FourSide Jar is the various maximum bot blender in the marketplace, and this isn't only for not anything. It's because it offers a fluid overall performance for a completely affordable rate. It's a brilliant investment, both for man or woman, or business purposes. While there is plenty to talk approximately with this blender, we're going to focus at the maximum important features. From a layout angle, this unit is available in diverse shades inclusive of black, pink, and white. But no matter that you pick out, the only component that differs is the color. The overall performance is just as precise. The Blendtec Classic FourSide Jar comes with BPA unfastened Triton copolyester jar with baited bloodless pressure winter blades. Completely, the system also comes with Smart Touch technology that can come in hand in exclusive eventualities. Additionally, it homes a large complete pound field with a big handle measurement markings and a cozy becoming lead. With regards to performance, the blender has 6 pre-programmed cycles, consisting of Smart Touchpad and Auto Shut-Off characteristic. It's also 1560-watt motor with 3 big horsepower and uses direct force machine. With this motor, the blender is capable of serve your favorite smoothie in no time. Moving on, the massive field is useful in making large portions of smoothies, fresh juice, ice cream, milkshakes, cappuccinos, margarita sauces, soup sauces, and more, which is terrific in my opinion. Since you can keep time or making juice for a couple of person in the identical field, it's really worth noting that this blender functions superior controls that now not only carry a touch of development on your kitchen, however additionally make the procedure of blending and cleaning less complicated. Furthermore, this may assist you a lot in case of preparing dinner. For example, in case you want soup for dinner or you are consuming vegetables, this system may be your exceptional help. Even beverages, appetizers, and desserts can all be made the usage of the equal jar. The time it takes to make each might be measured in seconds, no longer even minutes. Furthermore, Blendtec machines have the ability to knead 6th grade and pizza dough, and are depended on by means of renowned cooks from everywhere in the international. To conclude, the Blendtec now not most effective appears top rate, however also plays as such, so we rather advise you consider this due to the fact you may not remorse your selection. At number 3, it is the Vitamix E310. The Vitamix E310 made its way to the pinnacle of the chain for a very quick period, because it became released recently, but because of its quality and excessive overall performance, it has remained up there. This blender has capabilities that make it a suitable blender in every kitchen. From a design angle, this unit has a full blade stainless steel construction, which could reduce via frozen fruit and die cubes, which talks about how effective it is. There's a 3-pound BPA unfastened plastic box blanketed, which serves we are blending a variety of ingredients. Additionally, the container has markings to measure how a good deal beverages you've got installed. Let's talk approximately overall performance. However, the Vitamix E310 is a few of the most powerful we've seen, and they have a splendid popularity for excessive great mixing machines, durable sufficient to withstand years of utilization. Considering the motor, this unit comes with a sturdy 2.0 horsepower motor, and has 1380 watts. That is exquisite for my part, so it's no longer many other competitors accessible the same. So for this charge range, it's a great in shape. Moving on, the blenders control there's 10 speeds that may be various by the user, which also offers the consumer overall manipulate of the mixing technique. It lets in them to make tasty soups and one of the smoothest natural raised way to the potential to manipulate the speed on the blender's processing. Moreover, the producer claims that this device can be counted as a multi-purpose regularly occurring blender that may make smoothies, juices, hassle, soups, frozen desserts, batters, milkshakes, and greater. What I like maximum approximately this product is that it is very easy to clean, which could be a problem in any other case, with other blenders that have bad construct high quality. However, that is truly no longer the case here. What I do not like about this system is that, due to its massive motor, these blenders may be loud every now and then. But once more, I do not suppose that must be a hassle, for the reason that you may have issues with most high-powered automobiles as a long way as noise is going. Generally, the Vitamix E310 R2 is in particular advocated to people who need to trade their lifestyle, food regimen, or their ordinary fitness. So to finish, in case you need to make a remarkable investment for yourself and your circle of relatives, this blender may be the right preference. At number 2, it is the Ninja Professional BL660. The Ninja Professional BL660 has been in the marketplace for a couple of years now, but because of its excellent and high overall performance, it has remained a top option for each kitchen. Let's get directly into the action and screen what's so unique about it. When it comes to layout, this unit features a light gray construction, with white accents at the front, also with control buttons on the lowest center, which gave an outstanding look to the overall aesthetics. Moving on, there is a massive 4.5-pound photograph which is made of excessive first-class BPA loose plastic, making certain you a long life usage. It now not endorsed for meals warmer than 180 degrees Fahrenheit though. When it comes to dimensions, it's pretty tall, so it can now not suit beneath your upper kitchen cabinets. But again, it can mix a massive quantity of juice at the same time. So let's communicate approximately overall performance. The Ninja Professional BL660 comes with 1100 watts of strength, considerably greater than many lower-priced blenders. With 700 watts or much less, these blender can locate it hard components challenging. Moving on, the system has 6 uniquely snacks blending blades for better performance and uses 3 specific speeds, plus a pose grate to provide various blending options. Moreover, this blender has full speeds that permit you to manner and blend, mixture, puree, liquefy, weigh down, ice and pose, for controlled processing. And first, the electricity. The maximum leads you have, the greater alternatives you have got for trying new recipes. Those who buy this blender claim that the consequences are without a doubt terrific. For example, if you've been making end result and veggies, you right away note that the flavor is not simplest mouth-watering, but the texture is tremendously clean as well. And it truly is something that all of us enjoy. According to the manufacturer, it would take around 30 to 60 seconds to combo unique forms of meals. which is not that lengthy. And after you're executed, system of cleansing is extraordinarily easy. All you need to do is rinse it out with water. Last however not least, thanks to its versatile abilities, you can also use it for making cocktails. So as you could see, you can make nearly everything with this device. Overall, I strongly propose you can set up the Ninja Pro blender, as it gives amazing value for the charge. And number 1, it is the Vitamix 5200 blender. If you are seeking out a new nice blender, the Vitamix 5200 will be your best preference, due to its exciting capabilities and fluid performance. So let's get immediately into the subject and reveal what is so special about it. Statistically speaking, you can locate this blender into shade editions, black and white. However, remember the fact that the simplest distinction among them is the shade. They each perform similarly well. To be greater precise, the whole unit weighs about 10.5 pounds, even as the field is made from BPA loose plastic and holds 4 pounds. Because of this, at the same time, you may make big batches of soup, drinks, and ice cream. When it involves performance, the Vitamix 5200 has its horsepower motor. This forceful blender makes use of 1380 watts to energy via an expansion of responsibilities, enough power to grind, pureed, combine, combo, or overwhelm extraordinary meals. Moving on, this machine has 10 variable excessive powered speeds with an RPM variety of 500 to 37,000, which handles harder blends without problems, supplying you with the electricity to manipulate mixing at slower speeds. Furthermore, with any such powerful motor, you may without problems make everything from a simple fruit smoothie, way down ice, or healthy creamy peanut butter, which is sort of impossible to be made without a blender of this quality. However, because it's regarded for powerful blenders, this one's motor is also a bit loud. However, now not to the factor where you cannot endure it. Moreover, with regards to cleaning, it's worth mentioning that this unit has an excellent build with smooth to smooth substances, so that you might not sincerely must worry approximately losing time with this. With simply one rinse, it's all easy. Generally, if we combine these kinds of splendid capabilities into one piece, you recognize that this is a should-have blender, and the fee that turned into no longer the terrible. To conclude, if you're searching out a powerful blender that appears and performs premium, this one to be your perfect desire. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.